Lead the way, Daniel. Look for a spot. This one's a bit crowded. Let's go to the next car. That's 7218. Yeah, let's go further up. Looks like we got spots on this car, 7219.
Next stop is Grosvenor.
You've probably taken several if you've ridden the red light for a while. Anyways, hello friends and fans, Braden Bashlove here. We are on Kawasaki 7219 with my friend Double Daniels. Link will be in the description below. Anyways, we'll be taking this to either Gallery Place or Metro Center if we decide to go to a restaurant or not. We'll be meeting Aaron at Gallery Place or Metro Center. Waiting for the trade to depart. It should depart here in a minute, hopefully, if everything goes to plan. Yeah, each shade is blind. Alright, we're getting ready to go.
Step back. Doors open.
I don't know. I couldn't hear the announcement, so I couldn't tell you if it was Ben Schumann or not. Also, shout out to Ben Shout out to Ben Schumann for no particular reason at all, other than he's a metro operator. Pretty famous in the community. Yeah. Probably not. I mean, on the bridges it might, but not on the trains. There's actually an old... Oh, nice. There's an old MCPS bus that we passed by that's parked somewhere around here. I'll show you when it is. It's somewhere between Shady Grove and Twinbrook. It's on the left side. Yeah, pretty much the metro line separates the rich area from the more poor areas. Yeah. Also, this is my first metro ride I've done with this new camera, so pretty lit. Yeah. Okay, we about to look to the left right after this bridge. This is where the bus is. It's bus 199, 2001 Thomas HD, and a Breda just passed. No, I'm busman 94. What the heck is texting me? Aaron says he's running late. Alright. Yeah, this is where I always get on. Okay, we should be approaching Rockville soon. Yeah, technically even though Whiteland and Grosvenor are below ground level, they're still above ground stations technically. After Grosvenor though, all the stations are underground until Sonoma Gallaudet. I don't know. It's probably because the stations had to be like somewhat below ground level, but they not low enough where they could build like full underground stations for them. So you get that. Alright, this is Rockville Station. It's a pretty big hub.
This is Rockville. Connection is available to Aztec Rail.
Yeah, this is a Amtrak and MARC station right next to the metro station. And we got like 2 bus loops here, just like at Shady Grove and Twinbrook. There used to be a bus loop at White Flint a long time ago, but they destroyed that.
Doors open. Step back to allow
What you prefer? Wait, you prefer what kind of metro lines?
This is a red line train to Glenmont.
Like, are they above ground or below ground?
Step back, doors open.
Oh, okay. I need to turn off vibrate on this. Luke says he's on 5058 30-foot Gillig on the 45 to Twinbrook. What's that? Oh, cool. Didn't look like it was out of the Charlie boat video. Well, that was cool. Cool. I'd be able to get dope views of the metro from there. That's true. We go into a tunnel after Twinbrook. We go above ground for White Flint, then back to a tunnel above ground again for Grosvenor, then we go onto the bridge, and then we go back underground. Alright, this is Twinbrook Station.
This is Twinbrook. There's like a pretty big difference between like seeing the red line and stuff in my videos and actually seeing it in person. Was that Fat Boy SSC? Yeah. Was that Fat Boy SSC on the other side of the platform? Wait, Daniel, I'm not entirely certain, but I might have actually been the guy I saw. When morning, please move to the center of the car.
I think that was actually
This is
him.
a red line train to Glenmont. The next stop is White Flint.
Yeah, those apartments look really cool. I'll try to move there if I can. But you know, you gotta take what you can get, you know? I'll probably stay somewhere in the Rockville area. I like it here. Huh? He was back there on the platform. I think he got on the back of the train. It's a BMW dealership. Yeah, we're about to go underground. I warn you now, there's single tracking between Grosvenor and Friendship Heights, so this train trip might take a little bit longer than usual, but we'll still get there. Check my archive for the number. Oh yeah.
Flint. I lived in White Flint on an apartment building over there next to the station for a few years before I moved out to Rockville, where I live today. I lived in that building over there. Do you see the buildings in the distance over there? Yeah. This area's really developed a lot over the years. They're planning on making a new shopping center. No, I literally finished, like, I went to the station when I arrived, got my card ready, and once I did that, you came. We arrived within 5 minutes of each other. Also, good job on me for helping somebody figure out what the metro's doing.
Okay, well, ain't no rush about this.
Yeah, did you see that woman I was talking to at the fair machine? She was trying to figure out how to get to Union Station and back. Alright, for anybody who missed that announcement, this train will be single tracking between Grosvenor and Friendship Heights. This train might be delayed.